आय लिगांत मंगळारा गोंयांत 2 मॅची जातल्यो। पयल्या मॅचींत मूळचे साळगांवकार FC घडेघाट ईस्ट बंगाला कडेन वास्कोचे टिळक मैदानार खेळटले। उपरांत फातोड्डा मैदानार स्पोर्टिंग क्लब दे गोवा आड पयल्या स्थानावेले मोहन बागानाची मॅच जातली।
स्पोर्टिंग क्लब दी गोवा सध्या 9 मॅचींनी 12 गुण घेवन चौथ्या पावण्यार आसा। फाल्यांची मॅच जिखले जाल्यार तांकां लिगांत आनीक उर्बा मेळटली हातूंत दुबाव ना।
Still aim for the title, and tomorrow's three points are very crucial. With due respect to Mohan Bagan, but the way they are playing, it's a fantastic team. But then we also can't just sit back and relax, you know. But we want to gain something, we have to work double hard. It's not only just 100% won't be enough for tomorrow's match. It has to be more than that.
दुसरे वाटेन मोहन बागान फॉर्मात आसा आनी आपले लीग वस्तादपण राखपाचे दिशेन प्रवास करता।
They're a very strong team, and after if you see when they started, and after that, after new signings, a couple of players they signed, Mehrajuddin in defense, Denson Devdas in midfield, and you know that Mahmoud didn't play the last match against us, so, and Odafa as always is there. So last year when the Mohan Bagan boat was sailing, we got a jolt from Sporting Club de Goa, and we lost 2-1, and we somehow managed to win the other matches and achieve our target. But we should be very, very cautious, and we had very good respect with not only the Odafa, all the team, all the members, because they are a very overall strong team in every department.
दुसऱ्या मॅचीत संतोष कश्यपाच्या साळगांवकाराक नेटान खेळचे पडटले। हो पंगड सध्या लिगांत रेलिगेट जावपाच्या पावण्यार आसा। ईस्ट बंगाला कडेन जिखले जाल्यार तांची स्थिती सुदारपाक मजत जातली। प्रुडंटा खातीर ब्युरो वांगडा देवेंद्र गांवकार।
ऑल गोवा सिदाती गोवा सर्तींत दादल्याच्या गटांत रचित अय्यप्पा जाल्यार चलयांच्या सर्तींत सिमरन खान जिखले। डबल्सांत तेजस शेवडे आनी रचित वस्ताद थारले। सर्तीची फायनल आयतारा सांजे जाली। इतल्यान खबरां चित्रांगात सोंपता। पळयत रावत प्रुडंट। नमस्कार।